Do you, sabi daw, do you plan to release the sunscreen?
Anong sunscreen? Pwede bang ganito na lang?
Did you release it yet?
Which one?
The one.
What one?
The one. Did you release it?
The what?
The left screen.
Get out of my life. Get out of my life. Ang laki mo na, Bimbi.
I will spin you.
Brow Boss lang yan, guys. Yung gamit ko sa kilay ko, ito. Actually, nasobrahan nga yung trim ko dito eh. Hindi maganda yung pagkakatrim ko. Pero it's only Brow Boss. Money. Lagyan din kita nitong lip tint. Sama? Para terno tayo.
Okay.
Huwag mo sasabihin sa kanila kung anong name, ha? Secret lang. Ikaw, dami mong nire-reveal din eh. Ano mo may laway?
I know that one.
Eh kasi, paano kung papatong ko siya? Wait. Close your mouth! Ayan, paano makita ka nila? Do not purse your lips, ha? Do not purse it yet later when I press.
What's purse?
Like yung... Get about the money. You don't need your money.
We keep on singing that for like a
Wait lang,
million
bakit mo sa kanila?
times.
So, ganyan siya, di ba? Tapos, it's gonna settle into this nice shiny color. So, the longer it stays on your lips, ang pangit. The shinier it gets. Sige, pwede mo first ng konti. Okay. Forget about the price tag. It'll
Sabi daw, are you wearing the same
cha-ching,
shade?
cha-ching. Yeah, same shade. Ayan o, nagiging shiny na. Close mo yung mouth mo. Tapos ganyan mo na. Ganyan mo. Sige. Yan. Lagpas girly pop. Lagpas talaga.
If my teeth become red, I will.
And then this one settles into a very nice stain. So pag nawala na yung pagka-glossy niya, kunyari salita ka ng salita or kumakain ka, ganyan, magiging stain siya. Makikilala niyo siya soon.